coated the top of my earrings with ultraviolet epoxy, and they're ready to assemble. As you can see, the colors even improved. So after I covered my earrings with epoxy, some holes actually here are closed, and I need to make new holes, and I usually use this kind of drill. And the rule number one, never make holes from the back like this, because it can separate the epoxy very easily and actually ruin your earring. So if you want to make a hole, so it's better to start from here, from the top, and gently kind of make this hole. Sometimes you can do it manually, but it's hard to make manually, so it's better to use something like special tool. And I have professional one, but this one is portable, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. And again, so I'll try to find out where is the hole. I use wooden wood to protect my table, and on a high speed I do it very gentle, trying to put vertically. As you can see, right? Okay. And sometimes, yeah, it's already a hole. You just kind of make it better. Here, you see, now we have a hole, and it's done. So then I'll do the next one. The same problem, like here I actually can see this little spot. It's easy. So always protect this part, so never go this way. Usually have to do this way, and that's it. And we have hole here, and the same with this one. We have here, so we start vertically like this. Okay, and then I just like, yeah, a little bit more. Yes, you see, now we have here, this is, we can clean, it's not a problem, and here. And it's a rule, so just do from the front, not from the back. This is like we have a hole, but in case I need to make it bigger. Here we have a hole, but I can clean the edges. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's done. So now I have to continue with all this collection of new earrings. So now my earrings have holes, but there's another problem. So if you check the edges, some of them are not smooth, because the epoxy, it doesn't matter how you try to do your best, but sometimes it's coming to the edge and actually creates this kind of a little bit sharp edge, and I want to have smooth edge, not so sharp. So I'm checking with my fingers, and I use another tool with some sandpapers, and yeah, I try to check it. Yes, very gently, because you don't want to damage your coverage with epoxy. Sometimes it's a little bit longer. Yes, okay, so this is done. No, probably here a little bit. Yes, so this is done. So take another one. Not actually all earrings have the same problem, but sometimes this is like perfect. Now I'm going this way, here a little bit. And then actually you can use the silver or gold pencil to cover if it's damaged a little bit. Yeah, perfect. So this is done. We'll take this on, yeah, here, so you can feel it. I want to make it smoother. Yeah, much better, much better. Yeah, this is done. How about this? And here a little bit. Yes. And you know, if you do it gently, don't afraid that you damage the coverage, the varnish or the epoxy, because it's quite hard. And like here, I see here a little bit kind of, sometimes your eyes cannot see, but you can feel with your fingers, right? Yeah, now it's much better. And I see a little bit here. Yeah, it looks like okay. Yeah, perfect. And another one. So this is like, you know, your quality of your work. So if you want a nice presentation, a nice quality, so you have to remove all this little, I would say, problems or whatever, because this is not your fault. It just happens because you use different materials, and you know, you want everything nice and smooth. Yeah, so, and that's it. So this is what you do. Easy. Of course you can use sandpaper, you can do it manually, but this actually tool is so cheap and has a lot of kind of additional endings that you can use, and instead of wasting time, because sometimes it takes time to clean everything, this is just, you use like seconds and it's ready. Yeah, perfect. So you see, and then you check every earring. Some of them very good, some of them not, but that's your job if you want very good presentable earrings. So now it's time to assemble the earrings, and as you can see, I have some with silver, some like warm colors, black and yellow, could go very easily with golden tones. Some could be like copper, brass hooks. So it's up to you what you're choosing. And I usually have a kind of set of different types of earrings hooks. Again, you can choose on your own whatever you like. And I usually play with colors. For example, like this one. Let's say we use this one color. Yeah, actually it's good because it's matched the colors. And even with silver one, even if it's silver net, still because it's warm colors, then actually you can use golden hooks. Or for example, with black one like this one, I prefer silver plated hooks like this one, and actually could be silver or steel. I have even like this one, you see, like this one could be like this. So it's up to you to decide. And so it's a game of colors, a game of design of hooks, because there are different types of hooks. I even have colored hooks like black one. I probably will use it. And again, when it comes to the size, this one is very long. It's approximately 7 centimeters, maybe 7 centimeters. So you don't need any additional elements. You don't need to add something like some beads just to, like, you know, make it better. Let's say if you want to add something, it's just like sample, like this, for example. Yeah, well, maybe tiny bits you can add, but I usually don't add anything when it's this big size. Same with this one. It's beautiful itself. You don't need like additional. Plus, it's sparkling. Look at this beauty. So it's kind of like beautiful sparkles thanks to sparkle Podmoch. And the same with this one. Like it can go with gold, it can go with silver, because the sparkles gives us chance to use any type of earrings, any color, even blue would be nice. And if it comes to these colors, I probably will use the silver plated one. I used hypoallergic hooks, because I know some people cannot wear hooks if they're not made from silver or gold, but silver plated hooks are not expensive. And when it comes to small one like this, let's say, or like this, here you can add some elements, some beads. You can add silver or golden little beads, or even like seed beads. You know, you can make it long, you can make like this size, for example. Again, it's beautiful itself, and sometimes you don't need to add anything. So as you can see, it's for me it's a game for probably 1 hour, because it's not difficult to assemble, but very, very useful tip I got from some master many years ago, and I remembered this one. So if you use so you need to use the hook. I'll try to show like this. Yeah, so you need to use the hook, and you need to use a connector, and connector usually round little circle here, right? And the problem is that this hook, if you use like this and with a little connector, so your earrings, instead of this way, will be like this. It means so when you put earrings in an earlobe, in your ear, it will not be like this. To have it like this, there's a very simple tip. You use your pliers, and then you have to switch like this 90 degrees. 90 degrees, I probably cannot see very well. So just 90 degrees, turn this little opening, and then your earrings will be facing, like, you know, they will not be turning around. They will be actually in a position that everybody can see entire design. The same with big one. It doesn't matter which one you use. So what you do, again, I'm showing you, you take, I need to find, because it's a lot of like earrings. It doesn't, oh yeah, here. So what you have to do, you take like this, and you turn in gently 90 degrees. You turn in gently 90 degrees. And voila. So, okay, it's time to assemble my earrings.